anymore. I'm gonna show you something. I swear to God, you're never gonna buy another Starbucks coffee again. Look, check this out. All you need is one of these things, right? Okay? I put a see-through one so you guys can see what I'm doing. You need one of these. You're gonna put some instant coffee, all right? You're gonna put about a good shot, all right? A little bit more. You see how much is in there? About that. You can throw a bunch of ice cubes in. Alright? You see that? I got about 5-6 ice cubes. Got water right there. You got up to here. So you got this much coffee, about 5-6 ice cubes, and water up to there. You're gonna put the cap on, shake like crazy, okay? That does is it makes it all foamy. Look at that now. See that? Delicious. Bunch of sugar. Because what do you think they have in those things at Starbucks? They have a bunch of sugar. See that? Okay, got a bunch of sugar in there now. And I'm gonna put a little bit of maple syrup. You can put what you want: honey, lemon, vanilla, whatever you want. All right. I'm gonna shake it again. Smelling good. Then we'll put a little bit of milk. Yeah, look at that. That's the almond shapes. Good. Ooh, damn, that's good. Damn it. So that's it, guys. You know, sharing an old fan. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give yourself one right now, please. It's 2 seconds to make. It's delicious. Oh, that's good. Have a great day, guys. Love you all. Daily Details, aka Davinci Autoart. Bam, 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 bam.